Hello, SaaS people. Today we're going to show a quick outline wiki demo because we do love open source and we do love having an alternative to the evergreen Confluence. So let's jump right into action and see our compose spec. Now, this is a pre-made one that you also can find in our documentation, docs.omnistrate.com. This is our compose spec. As you can see, I already activated two nice Omnistrate integration. One is logging and the other is metrics. Then we have our service, we have the app, which contains some API params, and yeah, this is the exposed one. So we also activate the reverse proxy. And after the database user, password, of course, we need a storage. Then we have our image. In this case, we are using a custom one, but feel free to use your preferred one, the open source one. This is also open, by the way. You can just use it. It works. You have a couple of environment variables like the Redis cache URL, some security context, everything that you would actually need to deploy it in your local host. And then we have some dependencies, of course, because we depend on Postgres and Redis, which are also services. We can see Postgres and Redis. Of course, it has a different port. And in this case, we are using defined image of Redis. We are not using a custom one. We can also leverage and public ones. That's it. Let's build service and see you in a minute. Okay, we are back. Our instance has been deployed and it's running. Let's see connectivity. We have our endpoint. We have our nodes. Nodes are healthy, running. Okay. So let's see the metrics now. I can, of course, change my node to check more metrics. Same goes for the logs. Cool. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, very easy. Now I can set my login following the open source documentation of Outline, and I'm pretty much set up. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Ciao.